in line with the new generation of chairs, we have the new Razoo. One of the main features of this chair, it is car transportable and it's quite straightforward. So let's see. So we fold the seat down, and underneath here we have a connection that we need to just disconnect. Lever on the side of the seat. Which comes off. And we have the battery in the back with a nice hand lever there. It just comes out. You can see you've got 3 components here. The heaviest of the components weighing 27.5 kilos. So obviously you're going to have to take care picking it up, but we can pick them up so that we can transfer them into a boot of a car. You can also have a hoist set up in the rear of your car there, and then you can find points where you can strap round, attach to a hoist and lift the heaviest component.